the numbers in order of each row and the numbers in order of each column of a 5 cross 5 array of integers form an arithmetic progression. So note down the numbers are in arithmetic progression, okay, of length 5. Okay, so this is a length 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so every row is in arithmetic progression. The number is in position 5 5 2 4 4 3 3 1. So these numbers are given. Okay, so what number is in position 1 comma 2? So you have to find this number. Okay, let's solve. Let's think what. Our purpose is not to solve question quickly. Here our purpose is to discuss the solution in detail. So what uh, are the possible condition? What could be the possible answer, and what will be the right answer that we have to think in detail. Okay. So here, what should be the best possible method according to me? So we can use the arithmetic mean method, or you can use if the three number A, B, C are in arithmetic sequence. So we can write twice of middle term is equal to A plus C. Okay, 2B, or we can write the arithmetic mean, that is B A plus C over 2. So that concept we have to use. Okay, so what we can do, we can take any one number, either this number, either this number, or this number, or this number. We can take any number, and then we can find other number using that formula. Okay, so if I'll take this as a if I'll take this as a and this will become B. So using these three number, which will form a arithmetic sequence, so B, A and 16 will form a arithmetic sequence. So B terms for blank, so we will substitute this B after getting answer from here in terms of A. Okay, so this blank will become, so we can write what, we can write 2A will be equal to B plus 16. So from here, so B will become 2A minus 16. So this blank will become what, 2A minus 16. Okay, I'll make it zoom, so we can write here, make it zoom. Okay, give me a minute. So what we'll be getting, we'll be writing here. Okay, so this will become in terms of a 2A minus 16, 2A minus 16. Okay, so now using these two also we can write this middle term, so this will become what, 12 plus a by 2. We can write directly 12 plus a over 2. Okay, so 12 plus a over 2, this term will become. Okay, okay, so if I write this, so I hope it is clear. If we take this number as a, this number as a, so this will become 2a minus 16, 2a minus 16. Now using these and these will form also an arithmetic sequence. So this will become 12 plus a arithmetic mean over 2. Now what we can do, we can also using this and this we can find this number. Okay, using this and this we can find number, and we can jump to this number, similar method. Okay, so now if we'll take this blank, okay, blank, so blank plus 48 will become 2 times this. Okay, middle number, so blank plus 48 will become 4 times a minus 32. So blank will become 4a minus 32 minus 48. Okay, so it become 80. So here this number will become blank will become 4a minus 80. I hope it is clear. Okay, so now using these we can jump to this number. So suppose now this number will become blank. So blank plus 12 plus a over 2 is will become equal to what, 4a minus 80. Okay, now you need to find the blank. So what we'll be doing, blank plus 6 plus a over 2 will be equal to 4a minus 80. Now you transpose everything in other side, so it become what, it will become 4a minus, okay, so this plus this will become 2 times of the middle number. Okay, 2 times of the middle number, so this will become, okay, so this will become what, this will become 8 times a minus 160. So the blank will become 8a minus a by 2, 8a minus a over 2, and negative 160, negative 6. So blank will become what, 15a over 2 minus 166. Okay, so this will become our final number that we need. Okay, the question mark will become what, 152, sorry, 15 multiplied a over 2 minus 166. So using trial we can get which integer it will become. Okay, so obviously we want what, positive integer, we want what, a positive integer number. So uh, so like 15a by 2 should be greater than 166, है ना? So if we'll so a should be a even number, so it will become an integer. So if we write 20, if we write 20, so it become 150. Okay, if we write 30, it become 300. So what we can write, if we write 24, so 15 by a multiplied 24 minus sorry, minus 166, so 12, so it become what, 180 minus 166, so it become 14. So it could be 14, it could be 14, but 14 is not in an option. So other we can try, the next what we can try, next we can try 26, है ना? So after 24 what we can try, a as a 26, so a, and the next number we can try is 26. So a, if we substitute a as a 26, as a 26, and then we calculate, so it becomes 13. Okay, so it become more 15 more. Okay, so it become 195 minus 166. Now if you subtract, it become 29, and 29 is in the option. Okay, so 29 could be the answer. So next also you can try, no, maybe that also be in the option. So what we can try, after 26 we can try 28. Okay, you can try 28, so it become 14 minus 160. So obviously it will be more 15, no, so 14 plus 15, so it become plus 15, it become 44. Yeah, 44. So next answer, and for 44 isn't also not in the option. But what if we don't have any option, so how we can finalize our answer? For that, what you have to do, you have to use both 14 and 29, and make the complete array. And if you are getting like complete integers and also satisfying this 0, so that would be your final answer. So in that case you'll be getting 29 will be the only final answer. Okay, because if you keep 29, this number, okay, so this number, okay, if you take first option 14, so this number will become 14. Okay, if you take first option, so this number would become 14, and for 14 your a will become 24. Okay, so this number will become 24, then 24, so 8, there is a difference of 8 now. Okay, so a, okay, we have taken this number a na, just before 16 we have taken a, so it would become 24, so difference of 8, so obviously it will become 32 using arithmetic progression. So there is a difference of 8, so it become 8, so it become what, 40. Okay, so it becomes 4 4 8, it becomes 12, it becomes 16. All right, no problem. But okay, but if you see these, now 14 minus like 14, so what it become, So there is a difference of what 26 है ना, if you add 26. So if you subtract 26, so it become a negative number here. Okay, and although the option is 29, that's why we are taking 29 है ना. And if you make a complete array, so you will be not getting a perfect है ना combination in the case of what 14 है ना. So the 29 is the correct answer. I hope it is clear.